You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by today. It is all about E-Blox. I need to say thanks to them for sending me these 3 sets to check out on video with you today. I have the Power Blocks, the Story Blocks, and the Circuit Block set. So let's learn about the Power Blocks first. All right, here we go. The Power Block set. Use your existing building bricks to create endless possibilities. Okay, so you can match these up with other sets. Light Up 3D Standard Kit. I guess that's the one we have here for ages 8+. Let's turn it around and see what's on the back. It says the storage case is included. Studded top lid allows you to build on it. And then you can make either the winged creature, the cat, the Stairway to Heaven. It is a 45-piece set, and then it shows you everything that's in the set on the far right. All right, let's get this one out of the box. All right, here we go. Let's see what's inside. Here is, well, very cool. That is the storage container. Okay, so it just opens up. There's clips on the 4 corners, and then you have these little trays, your organizational trays. I've seen this with storage trays before. You could take these and slide them in. Kind of neat too that they have a little gripper on the top if that's the way they're supposed to go. That's a good idea because sometimes they can be hard to pull out of the tray. And then like they said, you can build on the top. Let's put that there. And then here are the blocks. These are very metallic. They're all metallic, it looks like. Oh, there's some clear ones in here too. So let's get that out. Very neat. All right, so we have these. Oh, they are connected. So the ones with the lights are connected and stay as such. I thought they'd pull apart, but I don't think they're supposed to. And you got some nice long ones here. So it's an interesting little assortment. The name is on the little post of each one. Okay. And there's one more bag here off to the side. This looks like the battery, the battery section. There's a little on-off switch. What looks to be like little 2 terminals there. That's pretty neat. Well, let's get out the instruction booklet. What battery do I need? I don't have a battery. Okay, it's a 9-volt. So I must put the 9-volt battery in. And then, there's all the different things about learning how to power it up. So I have to do that. Now, I didn't see any other sheets. So it looks like, visually, I wonder where maybe you have to go on their website. I'll have to learn that real quick, come back, because I don't see any build instructions. So basically, I just got to do it on my own. So let me get the battery. Okay, so I started taking this apart, then I'm like, let me check out the website. I didn't see anything about any builds or anything like that. There is the screw. As it slides open. Okay, and then one battery. So what I did learn though from the website is that those are your connecting terminals. So it's important that everything connects to those, and that's why the blocks have a metal coating on them. Okay, why don't you want to start? Let's go. And then I was organizing them a little bit. I'm going really slow on the starting. So it's a fine thread screw. Okay, so how do I make a connection? Let's learn that first. Okay, so I think it's on now. Let's get these over here. Let's get this on our little platform. Lock in. There we go. Okay, so that's a starting point. So you've got quite a few different in this little assortment here. Now this says BF plus. This says G plus. This says, what does this says? This says GF plus. Okay, and this is, what do you say? You say G plus. Okay, there's another G plus. RGB plus. RF plus. Okay, this says R plus. So this almost means something. Red maybe? I don't know. Blue? B plus? That's your grade. It's a B+. Okay, and then I have a bunch of those, some single posts. Okay, I'm pretty well organized now. There's some 3s, some doubles, and some 4s. Okay, I just like to organize them, have them, so I see what I'm working with here, and then the 2s. Okay, all right, so let's just see if we just put this here to here, will this make a connection? I don't know. Let's see. Off, on. Okay, so I have to figure this out, huh? Let's put this one here, and then this one here. Am I understanding this correctly? I don't know. I'm not. Let's see. Oh. So, looking at the little instruction sheet, maybe it goes this way. Did you see that? Okay, so I was looking at this right here. LED does not light up. LED does not light up. LED does not light up. So it could be backwards. LED lights up. So that makes a big difference. Here's the modules connected in series. Okay. And then the flashing. I don't get the flashing. Can you control the flashing? Let's just see. So R plus doesn't work that way, so it looks like it's got to be that way. So R, so that's red. Okay. You know what that is? RF plus. Oh, did I do it wrong again? Okay. So red flashing. I get it. RGB. Red. Okay. Okay, there it's changing to green. And then changing to blue. Okay. So this says blue plus. So that's probably blue. Okay, blue plus. I thought that was flashing, but maybe not. Oh, here, green F plus. Green flashing. Okay. Green plus. It's just a straight green. And another green plus, blue plus. So if I want to put this... So anywhere on this, it should light up, right? Let's see. Okay, connector. How many will it power? That's pretty neat. I'll tell you what, let's turn on the lights. Oh, so that'll make a connection there. I'm going to turn on the lights that'll work a little bit in the dark so you can see how these are lighting up. Okay, lighting change. I took out the flashing ones for now, just in case anybody out there can't see flashing lights like that. Okay, so now the polarity. So where it's labeled like R plus here, that's the polarity it says. So if I want to make an R plus, and then let's just see, because they give you more information here. Important, LED modules can be connected in series or parallel, but require E-Blox parts to be E-Blox parts to interconnect them to each other and to the battery module terminals. LED lights light up only when 1x2 E-Blox plates connect them and the end of the series string is connected to the battery terminal. So let's just say we get this big one out of here. Okay, so we want this to light. We would have to bring in like something to here. Let's bring this to here. Let's see if I got this right. And then this to here. And now that lights up, okay? Very interesting. Very, very interesting. I really turned my lights down just so you can see the colors now. So let's do that again. And these hold together, as you can see, really nice. So there's a good connection there. So basically anything I put on this now, because I have the two terminals connected, should light up. Oh, let me get this the correct way. I'm learning. Okay, so there's going to be some flashing lights here, everybody. Let's see if this can handle it. Maybe it's not the best way to show them, but at least we're kind of understanding the process. Ooh, something beeped. Maybe it was just too much. There. Okay. So there are some flashing. It's hard to... There you go. Okay. Ooh, one more. Two more. So to get these to light up, let's see. I'd have to put this terminal this way and this terminal this way, correct? Oh, I don't know if I can bridge these across. Let's just see. No. I'm thinking I can just touch it on the side. And it should make the connection. Ah, maybe not. Just by holding them, no. Okay, so what am I missing here? That's making that connection there. Oh, I see. Okay, yeah, that won't work. Bad idea. So I could, though, put a couple more posts in here. Oh, no, I can't. So I can't do that either. I have to build this across like this. I mean, I guess this is the way to learn, right? And now, are these actually touching? Are these close enough to touch? Or do I need to bridge that with another one? Let's see. If this does not light up on the end, then it's not a good connection. No, but if I take this and put this here, okay. Here, let me do another 4. And now I can get them all on. There we go. So this should light up. Okay, and then these other 2. All right. So there, I've gotten them all lit up. It's a little trial and error. You gotta understand electricity, I guess, and how things are moving around. Now, I think what I'm gonna do is move on to another set. So let me get this out of here. We'll see what's involved with the set, kind of learn here, and I'll have to build something at some point, I know, but it's kind of neat. It looks like I can just pull this all apart here. And it's a nice little storage. Getting started. Not much more there. Safe storage. Alright, that's what I got to do. But look, see? Alright, let's check out the next set. Alright, we now are on story blocks. Use your existing building bricks to create endless possibilities. Ages 8+. Read a story, research using QR codes, and build 8 models. Boat and seahorse do not float. Island model not included. And then this is the island. It's called the island. All right, so another adventure of Seymour E-Blox and his robot Robin with a blue-eyed Wicklow terrier named Glenn and a blue-eyed Devon Rex cat named Devon build the characters as they investigate distant lights on a nearby island. Meet a hippocampus abdominalis, better known as the potbelly seahorse. Use internet maps to see the actual island location. Use Morse code to solve a message from Devon's audio collar, and much more. Alright, how E-Blox works. Okay, we've learned some of that. Looks like you get quite a bit in this set. Let's check out what's inside. Okay, here we go. A little different opening here. This one's kind of got a flip-top box. Okay, there's everything that's in this one. So I get another one of those. Another set of chrome blocks and then regular building blocks. And then this little plastic boat. It looks like the basis for that there. And then we have storybook. This is, well, there's 2. The assembly manual. And then here is some story time on how to use your QR codes and other information. Okay. Right now, I'm here to learn about these. I may not build as much, and I'm just kind of more learning about how they work, what they do, and we can check them out. Okay, there we go. So, quite a few different blocks in this set now. Now we're familiar with most of these. Okay, I won't sort these all out, but I'm just kind of giving you a quick reference here. You got some angled ones, you got some clear ones now. Okay, so I think that's a pretty good assortment there. And then you got your connectors. Now remember, you need these to make the power connections. So you have that other set. So basically, Ooh, that's a neat one. I've seen these before. This one only has 3, so that other set has a ton of power compared to this. Now this has another one of these, so I don't think I need to power up another one, but I guess you could. The more power, the better. The more power, the better. Let's get this set here. Remember this set from the last one? And let's get this out. Ooh. They make it so nice, it's hard to get out. Okay, so let's just take it. We'll put this one back in here. And we'll just keep swapping them out, I guess. Alright. So what's with the QR codes? Where's all that? QR, oh, here. Okay. So build projects, you scan that with your QR code. And then Glenn was a happy little rascal who knew Robin was going to give him breakfast. As soon as Robin entered the den, Glenn jumped to his feet and greeted her with 3 wags of his tail and a deep but friendly woof. After less than a minute of gulping down his food and 20 licks at his water bowl, sounds like a dog we know. Okay, so that's kind of like a little story time. You can go through and follow along. And then let's just see the build part here. So this is the same sheet we've seen. I should have read it first before I started. But, you know, when you get a new toy or a new project, you just want to jump in. What's with the boat? Where's the boat? I want to see this boat. The dog would be fun to build. Oh, yeah, so there's the project boat. That looks like a big one, but it is lit up. I would do that one, but I think I want to do this one. The little dog-like creature. Okay. Glenn. Okay, Glenn. Alright, let me get some stuff set up for Glenn. I'll do a quick look. Like ×4 of these two, so I'll get all this together so I'm not taking any more of your time here, although I like to take up time. I also can't do that much anymore. Okay, and then 2 of these. Where are you? Flats. No, there's 1. There's 2. So I'm taking up your time anyway. So start here. I'm not sure it really matters where I start, but it looks like about the 4th row. And 2 right next to... Oh, I think I got the wrong ones. These don't lock down. So there's 2 different kinds. So that's the one I want. Okay, where's the other one? So 2 black, 2 white, and 2 black. And then the white's in the front. Okay, so it's hard to really see. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So about here. 1, 2, 3. They don't really give you a good sight line there. If not, I'll have to change it. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Alright, then this. And it looks like the power switch on the left. Okay, it looks like I'm right. Okay, so the actual building is different than what we're used to seeing. I've done lots of other sets, so it's a little bit different schematic here as to what I'm building. Like, that does look like the black, but it's got like that's black for sure. It's almost got like a gray hue to it. And then one of these, they don't tell you which one. Oh, yep, it's not that one, it's this one. Okay, so this is going between, it overhangs just a little, and it's going between that. Okay, this lines up with this. This is kind of locking in his tail, it looks like. And then it looks like, no, I've got something wrong here. It's hard to tell. This looks like it's sticking out way too long. Alright, what am I doing wrong? You know, sometimes in directions they give you another perspective so you can count over. I mean, it looks like it's the right way. Maybe one more back. No, that looks like it's as far as it'll go. Okay, you know, it's always fun. Always fun struggling on video. I'm just gonna go with it. Something doesn't seem perspectively right here. It looks like he's got a super long tail, doesn't it? And then this is under. Look at his tail. It's this one. I got this wrong again. This one. Okay. Wow. That's the longest dog tail I've ever seen. It looks like... maybe it's this one. 2 of these. That's it. This one goes first. No, 2 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where's the 8s? The flat 8s. Oh, wait, there we are. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. My fault. I know. I said the other day to someone in the comment, they had said something. I said, the obvious is always obvious to the one who thinks it's obvious, right? It's just sometimes you don't see it. Okay, that looks a little better. Okay, I did say I was going to stop and think about things, but I didn't. I just went on. All right, so this looks like we're coming into something with some light. So this must mean with the little lightning bolt. There's a little lightning bolt and a little silver, so 2 of those, and then 4 of the black ones, and then another lightning bolt. So we're making our first electrical connection. So they show this in 2. So that there, and then 2, like that, and then 2, and then 1 the other way. But they're both underneath one of these, like this. See what I'm saying about the instructions? Usually you get a different perspective, like the pieces. I don't know. Am I making sense? Okay, so one's going this way and one's going that way. Now, that's on there. Which one goes which way? I don't know. I can't tell. From this to this. It looks like there's a piece on top that's holding all this together. Alright, let me look at this a little bit more, because I'm seeing how is this going to hold on to this. Alright, let me think about this one a little bit, because I know I want to get this electrical connection, maybe just like that. Like that's where I'm making the electrical connection? No. Maybe like this. Okay, let's just try it like that. Is that it? So it's touching the electrical points? I don't know. All right, let me just do this. Let me take a quick recap here, check everything over, come back to this setup. All right, so I'm kind of struggling a little bit with the way to lay out the instructions. Not the first time I've had this happen. It's just sometimes you got to learn a new way of builds, right? But I think these 2 in the back, it looks like this one in the back. I don't know exactly where these go yet because I don't see them. They're up there. Where are they here? Okay, so the G's, let's see, RG, and, well, I got an RB and then a BG. Where's my BG? Maybe I got the wrong one. Okay. Okay, so the G's are on the right. So I see what's going on. I'm making this connection. Remember the points in here. So this is connecting to this. And then this is connecting to this. And then something's going to have to connect it all together. And then another G. Okay, so this one goes here. Ooh, I had it on. So it's got his green lights. Okay. And it looks like this goes back here. So it must be enough for these to touch to make that connection. This goes here. This goes here. Do you see where these go? Maybe you see them. I don't see them. I see two. That went there. Strip, this. I don't know. Alright, well, let me get set up for the next group here. I think, well, it's another one of these. It is, I still don't know where these go. And then one of these. Ooh, this one looks like it goes right in front. That must really solidify the connection. Now we've got this complete loop here. And then one of these in black. And then a 3. Okay, where do they all go? I think, oh, there's 2 of these. I think these are going here. I think we're kind of capping this off. This in here. And then this one here. Okay, I still don't see these. Maybe I'm just missing the whole thing there, but you know, I don't know. Okay, then one of these, a 3, a white, another 3, and then a black one. Okay, so this is his nose. Oh, well, at least we got that. And then this goes up here. And then this here. Okay, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm liking it. I know I said I wouldn't build anything. I might have to. And then 2 of these. Okay, so this looks like you take this, like this. Oh, I forgot one. This kind of extends his ear out like floppy ears. He's got floppy ears. Up here. Oh, one back. Here again, where do these go? I don't see them. ×2. Maybe it was supposed to go in between. It doesn't really show another block in there. Huh. Drawing a blank here where these 2 go now. Oh, on here. Okay, so ooh, that's pretty cool. Look at him. Was I right though? Is Glenn the... Did I get the right character? Glenn? Okay, yeah. I think Glenn was the puppy dog. Come on, where are you, Glenn? Yeah, Glenn was a happy little rascal, so there's Glenn sitting up on his little hind end there. Pretty cool. Alright, well, at least I did it. So let's do this. Let me put this aside and let's check out the last set. Alright, the last set is the circuit blocks. Use your existing building bricks to create endless possibilities. Okay, that's pretty cool. Build a real working FM radio. So there's a lot more going on with this set. I will definitely show it to you and get it out of the box. 120 projects. Holy cow. Okay, it's not listing the parts, but it's showing you everything that's in here. A lot more color going on here. Sample project, individually switch controlled electrical appliances. Sample project, 1-finger disc jockey. There's 49 pieces right here. Set includes 1 base grid not shown. Okay. Model CB0026 requires 3 AA batteries. So this is going to work. It looks different than what we've been learning about them. Ooh, wow. That's pretty, isn't it? Let me give you a nice shot of that. Now that's always exciting when you see packaging packaged so well. You got some little flyers there. Okay, cool. Look at this. It's like a grid of... It's all on the grid, already done. Oh, is that already done? Do I just need to put things in place? I don't know. I got little little knobs that I just yanked out. I've got this little piece here. Don't know what it is. South and north. Little motor. Battery. Looks like another little press switch. This thing lights up. And this almost looks like a little speaker, doesn't it? Okay, a lot going on. I'll tell you what though, I do want to check it out a little bit. Let me grab some batteries. Let's see if I can just understand what's going on. This is a booklet, okay? Thick. So let's get this at least powered up and see what we got here. Alright, I am actually going to do this one right here, this magnetic switch. It looks like the number 3 experiment. Now they go through and they give you all different tidbits of information. Tidbits is always good information. About electricity. Ohm's law, switches and power, calculating resistance using mathematics. All kinds of fun stuff to learn about. Then they give you the parts guide. Okay. And then how to use your E-Blox circuit block set. So it's basically like a little circuitry board. Okay, and they give you more information here. I'm just going to bypass it all. I'm going right in. I'm just going to throw caution to the wind and check this one out. But here's the project list. Here's everything you can do. Now check that out. That is pretty substantial, is it not? Plenty to do. Plenty to do. Okay, so I started gathering some pieces here. I need a number 76. Okay, now look, it says 76. You see a little X on there. It's kind of giving you a little information. Oh, let's get the batteries in this first. Done. Okay, 83. So I'm gonna look on here. 83 is right there. So now I know I need 83. Okay, so 83 goes this way, and I need a number 4. Where are you, number 4? Number 4 is right here. Oh, there's other number 4, so you have more than one number 4. So number 4 in the instructions looks like this. So you're kind of looking at it. The number 4 is in the left corner. It matches up exactly to that. This one, the 83 up there. You see this little connector there. It's right there on the little circuit piece. So we do that. We do that. And then this one is 76. So the 76 on the left, there's a little light bulb in there. I'm not sure if that's what I'm lighting up yet. And it looks like I need this too. So 70. And it goes this way. Plus on that side. I think I got it. And then hold the magnet there. Okay. Oh, ooh. We have? Houston, we have a connection. There we go. Oh, they both light up. Oh, so that's actually, I think, helping that, but it looks like they're both. So if you take this off, does that other one light up? Yes, it does. So we are learning. And we are understanding how it works. So that was the magnet, by the way. Now, that's a very interesting set. And there's so much to do. You could do hundreds and hundreds of products. Parts connected in parallel. Look, you just build all these cool circuits. Very nice, especially for someone who likes electronics and tinkering with it, or new to the whole electronics, and I'm trying to understand electronics. All right, that is pretty cool. Let me bring in my little dog here. His eyes are still lit up green. And then let me bring in my first set. And I just want to say thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. I had fun making it. I still don't know where those other 2 pieces went. So there you go. All 3 sets. Tons to do. You can just make giant sets, giant circuits with some fun projects. And thanks for watching and supporting Lucky Penny Shop. I will put a link in the description area to their website, so you can go check them out. Later. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
pick it up.